Shandong Tiantai Beer Equipment Company Limited is a professional supplier of beer brewing equipment with factory in Shandong Province. Our team has many years' experience in brewery setup for brew pub, bar, restaurant, nano brewery, microbrewery, and regional brewery. We mainly deal with the manufacture and research of complete beer brewery system including miller, brew house, fermentation tank, bright beer tank, glycol cooling system, control system, beer filter, filler. We supply all-round service for your brewery, including drawing and layout design, customized equipment design, transportation, installation and training. We introduced advanced production processing and testing equipment including automatic opening line, laser cutting machine, rolling equipment, automatic welding and polishing equipment, CNC tube bending machine, pressure measuring platform, RA detector, etc. It greatly improves the stability and controllability of quality. Our equipment pass CE certificates for machinery, low voltage and pressure equipment, EAC certificate and 20 patents. Our management is confirmed to ISO 9001, 2015, etc. So far, we have set up more than 900 projects and exported to 95 countries, including USA, Canada, Korea, Japan, Russia, Australia, New Zealand, England, Belgium, Finland, the Netherlands, France, Spain, Italy, Germany, Sweden, South Africa, Singapore, Mexico, Argentina. Insisting the idea that craft beer brewing should be in popular style, we keep our system affordable, trying to help more brewmasters to approach their dream. Tiantai, your honest brewery equipment builder.